Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Friday, December 11th, 2020. And today I am live from Mr. Baca's class, and I have I have five pledges, and their names are
Emmanuel, Nana, Jose, Zoe, Islamar.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart, and we'll go ahead and do our pledges. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, and now we're going to do our Texas pledge.
Honor our Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you very much. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please let someone know. We do have a number of birthdays. Happy birthday today to Aranza in kindergarten, Elena in 4th grade, and Kaylin in 5th grade. We hope you all have a very, very happy birthday. Tomorrow, happy birthday to Julissa G in kindergarten. And on Sunday, Fabian G in 4th grade will be celebrating his birthday. So happy birthday to those mid-December babies. We do have a couple of announcements today. We do have our food mobile today. So today from 3 to 6, from 4 to 6, there will be a food mobile out in the old parking lot. Today is Candy Cane Friday, so you're wearing your red and white stripes, your stripes, or anything resembling stripes. And then we continue to be a No Place for Hate campus. Our character education themes for the month of December are honesty and integrity. Spencer Johnson has this to say: integrity is telling myself the truth, and honesty is telling the truth to others. So think about that. Are you practicing honesty with others? And when you practice honesty with yourself, and then when you practice honesty with others, it's integrity. All right, so as we close out our week with Mr. Baca's class with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats, the choice is always yours, and we hope that today and every day you choose to make it a fabulous, fun, fantastic Friday.